Hello everyone. I'm sure that at some point of in your life you have tried creating this kind of videos. So today we will see how we can turn any normal video to anime type or any other cartoon type. So let's get started. Open any browser and search Lensgo. Create on the first link and click on video style transfer. Here you can upload your own video. I'll select any one video, and here you have multiple styles available. You can select any one of these, or if you have any reference image you can upload it here. So to get anime style, we'll create Ghibli. Now the video is uploaded. For free users you can only render up to 5 seconds. If you want to render for more seconds, you can upgrade to premium. So we'll click on generate video. Your project will be in queue, so you need to wait for some time. As you are a free user, you need to wait for some time, around 10 to 15 minutes. I've already tried previously few projects, so I'll show you the examples. You have multiple styles. I also tried with the fire style. You can also describe any prompts if you want to. Yet after rendering, you can easily download the video by directly clicking on it. So next time, instead of wasting your time on different softwares, use this AI tool.